Hello everyone, welcome. In this tutorial you'll learn how to create and use macros in Excel to perform calculations automatically. Whether you're new to Excel or looking to enhance your skills, this step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the process of recording and running macros to simplify your calculations. So let's dive in. Now I will create a macro. So go to Developer tab, then Record Macro, right? This is the first step. So name it Calculate, then OK. So now I will calculate the unit price with the quantity for each product. So type equal sign, then unit price plus the quantity, then enter. I have the total for each product here. So to apply the formula for other cells, just click here, then drag it. All right. Now to calculate the grand total, so type equal sign sum, then select all the cells, close parentheses, then enter. All right. So now place the cursor here, then go back to Developer tab, stop recording macro. All right. Now let's create a button. Go to Insert, then Shape, then create a button here. Right click on it, then edit text to name it Calculate. Double click on it, then go Home tab to adjust. Okay, so now I will connect this button with the macro that I have created. So right click on the button, then go to Assign Macro. Here is the macro that I have created. Okay, so now if you want to calculate the grand total, so you have to put the cursor here. It's essential, all right, if you want to calculate. So when I press calculate, first of all, I have to empty this. Okay, place the cursor here, then calculate. As you can see, automatically. So now I will create another button to enter all the cells. Okay, go to Developer, Record Macro, delete. Okay, so now I will delete all this. And this also. Then place the cursor here, then stop macro. Now create another button, Shape. Always right click on it, edit text, then name it Delete. Alright, so now right click on this button, then assign macro, and here is the macro that I have created. Okay, alright. Okay, again, I will calculate. Place the cursor here in the first cell, then calculate. To delete all this, click on the button Delete automatically. All right. That's all for today. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. See you in the next video.